What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today's video I'm going to teach you the choreography that I made to the song called Closer by Neyo. Alright, let's start. Alright, so for this one we start close first. So we're gonna do slow and go 1, 2, 2 counts. So 6, 7, and 1, 2 to the front. 3, 4, 5, 6. Raise your right foot. 7. Drop on 8. Okay, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue. You're gonna go make a circle to the left. 1, 2, like that. So 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop on 5, 6. So put your weight on your right. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. One more time. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Let's combine first and second. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Let's continue. So from here, 2, open. 3, 4. Raise your right. 5, 6. Step back. 7, 8. And 1, 2. So this is push. 1, 2. Okay? So from here, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Raise. 5, 6. Go to the back. 7. Raise again. 8. Stay 1, 2. So this one take time. 1, 2. Okay? Let's combine from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. All right, next from here, 1, 2, you're gonna turn. 3, 4. Circle on 5, 6, 7, and 8. So when you do this one, inside your body, make a circle. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Let's try again. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. So let's try everything for 8 from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, next, last 4 8s. So 7, 8. This one you're gonna stop. 1, 2, 3, clap on 4. So basically from here, you're gonna use only your heel. So 1, then your arms going up 3 times. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, On 4, you're gonna clap. 4. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Clap on 4. Copy. Side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Try again. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Copy that? Next, up. 1 and 2. So 1, down, 2, step back, 3 and 4. You're gonna kick your left, 5, side 6, right 7 and 8. Good job. Let's try again from here. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's continue from here. Side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn. 5, 6, 7, and 8. You get that one? Let's try again. So 7, 7, 8. Side. 1, 2, 3. Cross. 4. Turn. 5, 6. Jump. 7 and 8. Let's finish this one. Go. 1, 2. Push up. 3, 4. Side. 5, 6. Copy. Then 7, 8. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, that's it. Let's try again, huh? Slowly. So from here, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Kick left. 6. Kick right. Side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll. 1, 2. Up. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pas de bourrée. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the rest of it are ad lib. Alright? So let's try everything from the beginning. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 5, 6, 7, and up. 1, 2, 3. Kick. 5, 6. Side now. 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest. 6, 7, and ad lib. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like the choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on our video. Okay? Also don't forget to press that notification bell so you will be notified on my latest upload video. Okay? Bye bye.